Okay, so for you today on Dave's Cooking Show, we got the Jane's Cunt Burger. Now let's make up the barbecue sauce for it. What you have here is 2 cups of ketchup, a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of steak seasoning, any steak seasoning you like, make it yourself or get something out of a jar, and roughly about a teaspoon of hot sauce. Again, I'm just eyeballing the honey. And then you want to whisk everything together, heat over medium heat, bring to a slight boil, and then simmer for roughly, reduce the heat and then simmer for roughly about 10 minutes or so. And then pour it into a one of those plastic bottles that I love using, and we should be good to go. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, let's start making our burgers. These are 1/3 pound patties, and the cooking medium today for them is lump charcoal. Again, like I said, lump charcoal is really good if you're doing beef. It is dog shit if you're going to do anything else. So, again, once these are on, make sure you've already gone to the bathroom and whatnot, because these will overcook on this particular medium almost instantly. Again, lump charcoal burns hotter than the halls in hell. Again, you should be able, on a normal lump charcoal fire, you should literally only be able to have your hand there for like a second. And I'm just seasoning these up with the same steak seasoning I put in the barbecue sauce. So, about 2 to 3 minutes aside, and we should be good to go. Again, flip as many times as you want. I'm kind of the thing, at least 2 flips per side. All right, through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. And just going to add some American cheese here. And we're going to go with 2 slices of American cheese. Kind of do that whole star thing. Okay. Got all the cheese on these burgers. And then I'm going to put the lid on and give them about 15 to 30 seconds, depending on how hot the fire is. And then we'll be moving on to the next step. And then give them a little squirt after the 30 seconds of that Jane's Cunt barbecue sauce. Put the lid back on. And then you just basically give it 30 seconds to maybe a max minute. Just basically run inside the house and grab a plate so you can serve these up. It's not going to take very long now. Alrighty. Covers off. These things have melted up nicely. Time to just get them off the grill, bring them on in the house, and we'll be ready for assembly. And for this burger, for toppings, I decided to go real bare bones. Just the patty, bun, bacon, a little bit of French's fried onions. Kind of go for the whole rustic thing. And then, of course, blast it with just a little bit more of that there sauce. And that's it. Jane's Cunt Burger. Done.